His finger licking good, y'all. Yo, yeah, what up?
Come on, Mike.
Let's tear it up.
Hear no evil, see no evil, talking no bullshit.
So many damn people that's so damn full of it.
Keep on money walking, no, we ain't having it.
Just give us some wood and they'll build you a
I'm
cabinet.
convinced that Vince is ripping me off.
I think it's his girl that's tipping me off.
Mike D's hot back and he's going onions.
I gotta think about that mama and Paul Bunyan.
I've been going nuts, getting all cooped up. Fully hermatized, but now I'm getting sued up.
Sign up to the page to a brand new chapter.
Set my sights and you know what I'm after.
I'll be the play for the news and with Ernie and Nesto.
Don't even rip my recipe for pasta with pesto.
Now here's another special of the day.
You see, I got more spice than the Frugal Gourmet.
Finger licking good, y'all. It's finger licking good, y'all. It's finger licking good, y'all.
What you got for me? Shows good people what it means to be deep.
Call me Mikey with the man master. I put the mic up to my lips and I can speak for a while. Created a sound I wish many were shocked. I got a million ideas that I ain't even rocked. I got the light bulb flashing on the top of my head. Never wake up in the wrong side of the bed.
You an ideal man, not a yes man. With a point to make, come out and take this thing.
Cause I'm paying the Puma.
Many the moocher.
Every time I
They
play
want a
out.
style that will suit
The
you.
bass is real
Because
fast.
it's gotta be like
See
that.
us stay on the phone.
You
Yeah.
get this to the hi-hat.
Finger licking good, y'all. Finger licking good, y'all. It's finger licking good, y'all. I'm finger licking good, y'all.
Oh yeah, baby! Woo! Dude! Get over here. Oh!
Oh my D, what's up?
Come on, y'all, let's tear it up. I like a cat in the groove, I like a flash in the dark.
I'll grab a hold of your attention like a thief in the park.
Cause I can flip a rhyme off the tip of my tongue.
Yeah, I've been switching up the rhythm like a bounce piece of chewing gum.
Not my truth. My ideas are mine when I begin to
You're going
write.
so
In my
slow.
sleep, I'll be thinking about beats and
Not like we're
Get busted some cheese.
But
your
I like
reaction
fucking
style.
words that you never even seen before.
I can go back and I can find it to this
I don't scuffle the scuffle, just grin as I walk by.
Take the time to ride for a girl I ain't talk by.
Down to the fire, down with the revolution.
Do the suffer pollution.
I can do the thing
The
about
baddest dude in the state. Gotta be the fucking fish in the funky fish
I
tank.
sell my house and my car and I'll sell all my stuff.
Back to New York City, I do believe I've had enough.
We're gonna be out of here in a minute. So this one goes out to my man Mario C. My brother Abba. Putting it up on